Figure shows a rectangle divided into 4 triangles, W, X, Y, and Z. The ratio of the areas of Y to X is 2 to 3. So that's the ratio here. The ratio of the areas X to Y is 2 to 3 also. Okay, so you have two sets of ratio 2 to 3. For part A, find the ratio of areas X to Z. Okay, so every time you have more than one set of ratio, right, you need to remember to find common base. So what is the common base between these two ratios? So it's quite straightforward. You can see that both of the ratios have X. So you want to make X the same. Okay, that's the very first thing you need to do. Okay, so I have a 3 here, I have a 2 here. To make my common base the same means I find the common multiple. So multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. I'll change both to 6. This one times 2. And then the other side, we times 3. Okay, so once you have the common base the same, right? Put it on the diagram so that it's easier to see whatever units we have. So 4 for W, then X will be 6 units, Y will be 9 units. So what we're missing is Z, right? Which is what we need for part A. Okay, so if you look at this rectangle, it's not stated in the question, but if you look at this rectangle, right? Do you know that two of these, I mean X plus Z, right, is actually half of the rectangle. Okay, so X and Z is actually half of the whole rectangle, which means that W and Y will be the other half. Okay, so W and Y is the same as X and Z. So if W and Y is 13 units, what is Z? So we take 13 units minus 6 units. Okay, then we get 7 units. So this here is 7U. So the ratio X to Z is 6 to 7. So if you got part A wrong, most likely your part B will be wrong also lah, I believe. Okay, so your part B, okay, for part B, you have the area of Z, which is 168. 168 will be 7 units then. Find the area of the whole rectangle. Okay, so 168 divided by 7 to get your 1 unit, which is 24. Earlier on, we know that W and Y is 13 units. So the whole rectangle will be 13U times 2. So total 26 units. Okay, then you find 26 units. 24 times 26. That's how we get the total area 624.